Hello, in this video we're going to use application Flowy14 to write an algorithm that for given size of a triangle calculates its perimeter and then prints the result. Let's begin off of going into the app Flowy14. Into our area dashboard here, we'll proceed to add commands to design our flow. The commands can be found on our left hand side menu. You can manually search for them or you can use this search option. So always the first command to start designing our flow is the start command. So let's add it. Next we'll need 3 input commands as we have 3 sides of triangle. So we'll just type in the word input, and it should come up as one of the first commands available, and 2 more of these. So next we'll need 2 mathematical commands with the plus sign to add the sides of the triangle. Oh, excuse me, I think I've added the incorrect command, so we will move it to garbage. And we need I've added the output commands instead of input. So this is our input commands, and we'll need 2 of the input commands. Perfect, now we're ready. So yes, so if in case you add a command that you didn't mean, you can just long tap it and drag it into the trash here. So after these 3 input commands for 3 sides of the triangle, we need 2 mathematical commands to add and calculate the perimeter. So we'll now search for our output mathematical equation command, which is just under the word math. It does by default come with a plus sign, which we need in this exercise, so we'll leave it as so. And we'll add another one of these. Okay, perfect. So 2 mathematical commands, and now we'll need to print the result of our exercise of our calculation. So we'll need an output command. And once you're ready and satisfied with all the commands added and with the way the design of the flow, we will close it off by adding the command end. Just type in the word end in your search. So we've designed our flow, and now we are ready to start connecting the commands. So let's click into the first input command into its green area, which is the outbound data indicator. It in turn highlights all the available inbound data connectors. So what we need in our case here, we need to add this input command into the calculation command, adding both sides of the triangle. So let's click into the first available inbound data connector and click off of the design, the flow, and you'll see the yellow arrow indicating how you've connected your commands. The next exercise we'll perform on the second input command. So click into it and into its outbound data indicator data connector. We'll connect it onto the other available inbound data connector on the addition command. Click off of it, and you'll see that now we have 2 yellow arrows indicating both connections. And our third side of triangle, we need to connect it to the second mathematical command. So let's click into the outbound data connector. Let's connect it to the one of the 2 available inbound data connectors on our second addition command. So now that we have all the sides of the triangle connected, we need to connect the result of the 2 first sides being added into the third side, so we can add and calculate the perimeter of the triangle. So let's click into the addition command and into its available in green outbound data connector and connect it into the available inbound data connector on the second mathematical command. So now we're ready to connect the addition of the 3 sides. We're ready to print the result. So we've calculated the area of the triangle, perimeter, and we're going to connect now the result to the output command so we can have it printed. So connected via its available outbound data connector data into the inbound data connector on the output command. So we've designed our flow to calculate the triangle's perimeter and to print its result, and now we're ready to run to execute the flow. So click the button run. So it is asking us to input the one of the first sides of the triangle. We'll input number 2, enter. And now let's say we'll make it 3, the second side of the triangle. And then we can make it 2 again. So the perimeter of the triangle has been calculated, the result has been printed, and this brings us to a conclusion of using application Flowy14 to write an algorithm that for given sides of triangle calculates its perimeter and prints the result. Thank you.